Have you got some old photo frames that could use a new look? Hi guys, welcome to Hampton, your house. My name is Belle and this is the second video in my Decorate Your House for Free series. So if you'd like to see some other creative ideas on how you can decorate for free, check out the playlist which will be linked below in the description box, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Today we're going to make a beautiful jute photo frame using any old photo frames you have that you were maybe thinking of getting rid of. Maybe you're just tired of the look of it, it doesn't go with your current decor, or it's a bit outdated in some way. I can't wait to dive in. Let's get started. First, find some old photo frames and remove the back and the glass. Next, give your frame a coat of neutral coloured paint. White, grey, cream or beige would all work fine depending on what you have lying around. Make sure you cover all the inside and outside edges of the frame nice and neatly because these will be visible when you're finished. I'm going to give you two slightly different methods of doing this, so here's the first one. Grab your cord, string or twine and a glue gun and glue one end of the string to the back bottom edge of your frame like this. Then pull the string right around the front of the frame to the back on the other side and cut to size. I'm leaving the ends loose for now because they'll go over another lot of string later on. Don't worry, it'll all make sense later. Once you've glued on enough string to cover that whole side of the frame, you might like to use some spray adhesive and some pegs to hold the string in place. Then start on the next side, which will overlap the side you've just glued. This time we'll glue down both ends of the string. Do the same thing with the third side. Before you start the fourth side, peg the string from the first side to keep it out of the way, then continue as before. And finally, glue down the ends of the first side over the top of the fourth side to give it a very professional basket weave type look. You could also paint the string when you're finished if you decide you'd prefer a different colour. And for the second method, I'm using macrame cord, and we're going to wrap the two shortest sides first. And this time I wrapped the string the whole way around, front and back. And because this string is thicker, I could use the glue gun to secure all of the string because the thicker cord hides any imperfections with the glue. You may have to cut some of the string on the back around the spot where the glass goes in, so just make sure you've left room for that. And we're done. Here's the before and after. Gorgeous DIY coastal Hamptons frames, perfect for your home or maybe even as a gift for a friend. I can't believe how beautiful these look. It's given them a whole new lease on life, and now I have some beautiful new photo frames out of something I was probably going to throw away. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and I'd love to hear how yours turn out if you give it a try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and check out my other videos on how to decorate your house for free. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.